Hello, lovely friends. So this week we're jumping straight into the haul. It was a home delivery from Asda. So starting from the frozen section, so I can put it away, we have sweet potato chunks, sour lollies, fruit split lollies, mini corn on the cobs, roast potatoes, petit pois, peas, straight cut chips, pepperoni pizza and a chicken and bacon pizza. So moving on into the fridge stuff, apart from the bananas, we have buttermilk and pickle ranch, which is a dip, really nice for pizzas. Some romaine lettuce hearts, some carrots, bacon potatoes, some butter, 2 red peppers, onions, sweet potatoes, shredded lettuce, stir fry vegetables, some pepperami, southern fried chicken bites, some cheese, tuna and sweet corn sandwich spread, chicken and bacon sandwich spread, ham, eggs, cheese, plastic cheese, mini garlic chicken balls, 2 lots of sausage rolls, mini pork and pickle pies, some cooked chicken, milk, noodles, some chicken drumsticks, breaded chicken, and finally some mince. So on to the snacks, the don't judge me pile. We have some crisps, some pick me up, mini bars, custard creams, some Rocky bars, and Reese's chocolate zero slims, which I believe are ginger biscuits, some brunch bars, 3 lots of oat biscuits, some Freddos, Time Outs, and 2 packets of mini cheddars. Orange juice, 2 packets of long grain microwave rice, some juicy bits orange juice, 3 bottles of Coke, onion mustard chicken tonight, I believe that is, and some sausage casserole. Guys, we're having a lazy week where it's quick dinners. Some chocolate spread, baked beans, 2 lots, chopped tomatoes, sweet corn, and 2 packets of noodles. Now I do normal stir fry for half of the family, and then the other half will just have noodles because they don't care for the vegetables in the stir fry. We have 2 lots of cereal. Moving on into the non-food items. We have a cereal dispenser, a water bottle. I think we must be on our 10th water bottle this school year. Some pens, mouthwash. I absolutely love the Herbal Essence lavender shampoo, sandwich bag, some Fairy non-bio washing pods, bleach, dog treats, bin bags, my all-time favourite Soufflora Country Garden, and I'm about to reorganise the kitchen cupboards again, so I bought 3 more containers. Kitchen roll, and I think I said everything. So the total cost for this food shop was £155, and £5 of that being for delivery. I'm going to give the fridge a quick wipe down before I pop the shopping in. I've noticed a ton of spills and gunk from the boys rummaging through it every second of the day. Really, I should have washed the shelves in the sink, but I'm so close to the school run, it will have to be anti-bac and a quick wipe down. For those of you tuning in for the first time, hi and welcome to my channel for Cleaning Out Loud. My name is Sarah. I am a mum and a wife, and I live in the south of England. I'd love for you to come and join our YouTube community by clicking the subscribe button. And of course, if you've enjoyed my content this week, I would be grateful if you would give that video a thumbs up and come and chat with me in the comments. So, moving on to my high point and low point to the week. We are starting with my high point, and we got to celebrate my husband on Father's Day. He had work in the morning, but once he got home, the boys spoiled him before torturing him with the England football match. Myself and my husband are not football fans in the slightest, but we will entertain the matches just to hang out with them. They've reached that age where it's hard to get them all in the same room at the same time. So we take what we can, and if it means 2 hours of football, then so be it. My low point, I'm really scratching the bottom of the barrel here because I really can't find, an everyday life low point. But there is one thing that's really, really annoying me, and that's the slugs have declared war. I kid you not, they have taken over my garden and eaten all my gorgeous flowers. I can't put pellets down because my dog is stupid. So if you have any advice, I am open to try anything that is pet friendly, of course. The most recent thing that I've tried is copper tape, and that hasn't made the slightest difference. They don't seem to care about it. So I'm going to shut up talking for a couple of minutes and let you enjoy a song, and I'll hop back on the end just to say goodbye to you guys.
Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you've stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't.
So, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for choosing to hang out with me today. I will see you all next Saturday. Don't forget, guys, please come and chat to me in the comments. It is the highlight of my week. Have a wonderful weekend. Much love.